If you've been injured in an accident that wasn't your fault, the first thing you should do is call the police to the scene so they can properly record all the information and gather all the witnesses and document the accident. Even if it's a minor injury, you should seek medical attention immediately. Call the paramedics to the scene of the accident. They'll take care of you. You may not feel a lot of symptoms or pain right away at the accident scene. Injuries often take hours or days to develop, and if you strain yourself or stress yourself physically, you could cause further injury. When you're at the scene, get the other party's identifying information. Look at their driver's license, their insurance information, registration, get a picture of their license plate, and take pictures of the vehicle. And if there are any witnesses, get their names and contact information. It will come in handy later. But don't discuss the facts of the accident. If you've decided you want to hire Scott J. Corwin, a professional law corporation, to help you with your injury or motor vehicle accident, call us. We're going to get your case settled and get you maximum compensation for the injuries that you've sustained. We're here to help you.